Well, SIMA, we just announced our long-term strategic plan. We're really going to start focusing on company accreditation that's based on safety, a SALT applicator certificate, and then also get much more active at the state and provincial levels on advocacy. There's a lot of legislative issues that are coming up for snow and ice contractors, and we think those are really happening not necessarily at the federal level, but at the state and provincial level in Canada and the US. And so we're putting together some grassroots groups of members and other volunteers that want to get active and engaged on legislative issues at their state or provincial levels. We've had several in-depth meetings with insurance carriers. We're trying to resolve the insurance problems of rapidly increasing premium prices, and even some companies being completely priced out of the market, not able to get insurance. The foundation's a charitable arm of SIMA, and it's run completely separate, and it's monetized by donations from suppliers and individuals who have been very generous. We've also launched an emerging leaders program called Accelerate. What we're trying to do there is how do we train the next group of leaders in the snow and ice industry so that they can go from snow and ice isn't just a job, it's an opportunity and a career. And we just announced and finished our profitability study. So it's a benchmarking study where companies can compare themselves financially with how their peers are. Those are all provided by the SIMA Foundation, and then the donations that we get from the foundation help to support that research and those opportunities. We're looking at the next generation of snow and ice leaders and how do we get them trained and help them find success.